Blood groups and blood transfusions. On the basis of the presence and absence of certain substances, blood is classified into 4 distinct blood groups. These substances include antigens found on the surface of the RBCs and antibodies present in blood plasma. There are 2 main antigens, A and B, and 2 antibodies, A and B, present in human blood. There are 2 most common systems used for classifying blood: A, B, O blood group system. The 4 blood types are as follows. 1. Group A contains antigen A and antibody B. 2. Group B contains antigen B and antibody A. 3. Group AB possesses both A and B antigens and lacks antibodies. 4. Group O lacks antigens but has both A and B antibodies. Antigens are glycoproteins found on the surface of red blood cells, while antibodies are gamma globulin proteins located in the blood plasma. Table 9.5 Blood groups. Blood group, antigens, antibodies. A. Antigen A, antibody B. B. Antigen B, antibody A. AB. Antigen A and B, no antibodies. O. No antigen, both antibody A and B. Table 9.6 Blood groups and donor compatibility. Blood group of donor. Blood group of recipient. A, B, AB, O. A, yes, no, yes, no. B, no, yes, yes, no. AB, no, no, yes, no. O, yes, 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 yes. Universal donor. Universal recipient. 2. Rh-type system. Besides A and B antigens, many human red blood cells have an Rh factor. Blood can be classified as either Rh positive or Rh negative based on this factor's presence. The term Rh is derived from the rhesus monkey, where this factor was first identified. If Rh positive blood is given to a negative individual, the latter's body produces antibodies against it. A subsequent transfusion to the same person can cause severe reactions because the recipient's blood already contains Rh antibodies that clash with the Rh antigen.